Smartphones are enabled with split screen and I hope many of you all use it, as I personally use it most of the time. Hi, Praveen here. Imagine you with your family in house. Will you both able to watch something as per your wish all the time? I bet not. Either one of you have to sacrifice. So let's see how to overcome it. When we decide to watch something, it ends up me sacrificing. For example, I prefer things like PS4, action movies and music videos. But my better half always prefer to watch dramas, web series, crafts, cooking and the list goes on. When she gets busy, there comes my kids asking for cartoons. In this situation, for me, split screen in projector is helping me a lot. Even though I will be using one corner of the screen, I am happy that I can do my stuff by not bothering them. I will show you how the split screen works. You can use either projection panel button or remote to select split screen. You will have two screens side by side using two different input sources. Using menu button, you can set up how you wish the two screens to be. Like both screens should be in the same size, or if you want, you can enlarge the left side screen or make the left side smaller and the right side in a bigger image. Larger screen will be 67% of the total screen size and smaller screen will be around 33%. Because of this smaller screen size, image gets a little pixelated even though this projector is in full HD resolution. And since its aspect ratio is 16:9, you will not get the screen filled up. You will have a black screen in top as well as in the bottom. Then source. These are the input source we have. We can select which source to be in which side. Once source is selected, you can use swap screens to quickly swap to the left or to the right. If your projector has an audio out, then you can choose which screen's audio to play in the speakers. For me, PlayStation controller has its own audio out and as well as for the laptop, so that's not going to be an issue. You can align the screens in two ways, align on the top or in the middle. This QR code is for Epson Eye app projection. By exiting split screen, it will come back to its normal previous view. So friends, hope you all liked it. Please support my effort by subscribing and comment below your suggestions and press the notification bell to get notified. Bye.